Hello and welcome to this introduction on the full day pre-conference session on financial reporting with Power BI SQL Bits 2023. As a prospective attendee of this training day, you're likely someone who works with Power BI on a regular, perhaps daily basis and have been for at least the last year or two. You don't need to be an accountant or work in finance, but if this training day has captured your interest, then you have probably experienced the challenges of working with financial data in Excel and maybe even also in Power BI. Lots of time to collect, shape and clean data and then produce different cuts of reports for different audiences. You can see the potential for Power BI to automate this, but aren't sure of the kind of data model, DAX and visual elements you need to produce financial statement outputs and bring the data to life with visualizations. I've been there myself. I'm a chartered accountant by background and used to work in a finance role. Nowadays I work at Avanade, which is essentially the Microsoft arm of Accenture, and advise large enterprise clients on how to deploy Power BI at scale. I'm also a data platform MVP and run a community called Power Platform Finance around helping finance professionals to apply this technology in their roles. I'm soon launching an interactive e-learning course on this material on my LDI website, learndatainsights.com, which everyone who attends the SQL Bits training will receive free access to. You can see here an example report that we'll build with a traditional income statement layout for a given month, showing actuals and budget numbers, as well as gross and net margin percentages, all within the same column. We're looking at monthly data here, but we can switch this to quarter to date or fiscal year to date, and all the visuals update automatically. We're looking at this for the global organisation as a whole, so it's in reporting currency, USD. But if we switch to a specific org unit, say Germany, our visuals update to show in its local currency, euros. We also have a waterfall chart here showing the difference between last month's and this month's profit, or indeed any line that we select in the income statement, and which org units have contributed to that difference. So bring your laptops and we'll go through hands-on labs to build a full solution. This includes capturing requirements, both reporting requirements and non-functional requirements, using tools like a scoping template, a bus matrix and star nets. The data for this report is 3 years worth of monthly CSVs, extracts from the source system, and we'll look at how to combine these in Power Query and use exchange rates to apply the currency conversions. We'll create our calculations in DAX using key ratios such as gross profit percentage and cost income ratio, and dynamically switch between showing currency and percentage measures. The key to any report is always context, allowing a user to quickly evaluate whether performance is good or bad compared to, say, budget or last year. So we'll perform variance analysis using waterfall charts, KPI cards and custom visuals such as Sapra BI visuals, which give you some of that context out of the box. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you at SQL Bits 2023 in Wales. It's a beautiful country, and if you've been to SQL Bits before, you'll know it's also a fantastic crowd, and I'm really looking forward to it.